Here is a single resistance, a theoretical physicist. Today I want to open your eyes, telling you the role of theoretical physicist in the development of modern technology. It has been a little bit debating about theoretical physicists and engineers. That engineers are more better in technology than a theoretical physicist. But I realized that these confusions, the debate comes from those who do not know and understand the role of theoretical physicists in the modern technology. Perhaps I will just explain who is a theoretical physicist. A theoretical physicist is the person who develops the mathematical ideas, models, and fundamental laws that explains how nature works, even though they don't usually build the devices directly, but their works is the fundamental foundation of almost all modern technology. Number one, the developing fundamental laws of nature. The theoretical physicist study and creates equations that describe reality, such as motion, energy, light, atoms, and space. The theory in theoretical physics helps to explain how electrons behave in materials, how light and radiation moves, how particles interact at atomic and subatomic levels. And these three ideas later becomes the basis for technology. If you find the classical theory try to explain that electrons may have the behavior like light, but basically not. Number two, foundation of electronics and computing. Modern electronics depends heavily on quantum theory. The theoretical physicists developed the ideas in quantum mechanics, that's the behavior of atoms and electrons, the solid state physics, behavior of materials. These theories led to transistor and microchips, smartphones and computers, digital communication system. Therefore, without their theoretical work, modern computing would not exist. Third, advancing communication technology. The theoretical models of electromagnetism explains how radio waves travel, how antennas transmit signals, and how Wi-Fi and mobile networks works. Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity. This made it possible to develop mobile phones, satellite communication, and internet technology. The fourth contribution of theoretical physicists in the development of the modern technology, enabling space and modern cosmology technology. Theories of gravity and relativity led to satellite navigation system, GPS, space travel and calculations, and satellite imaging and astronomy tools. And here, without theoretical physics, precious space technology would not work. Fifth, driving innovation in new technologies. Theoretical physicists also explore future technologies such as quantum computing, nanotechnology, fusion energy, dark matter, and energy research. These ideas guide engineers on what might be possible in the future. 6. Providing prediction before experiment. A key learned prediction, they predict new particles, materials, or behaviors. Experimental scientists then test it and confirm them. Example, prediction of particles like the Higgs boson before it was discovered. So, in a very little summary, theoretical physics creates a blueprint of nature using mathematics, and engineers and experimental scientists use that blueprint to build the real technology. So, concluding the dialogue, without theoretical physics, the technology would lack direction, precision, and innovation. So I can say in a simple term, no technology, no engineers, no innovation, no direct precision of the technologies if there is no a theoretical physicist.